Hi, welcome to Victor Go the NDA classes. Today we are going to discuss some previous question papers of National Defense Academy, particularly related with the geography aspect. Looking at the previous question paper will help you how the questions will come in the upcoming exam. Put sincere effort to read the previous question paper. So, we'll be solving as many as question possible. We'll have an online coaching also. If you want, you can join. We have a classroom coaching in Ernakulam Vaitla. So let us start. So there's a question. The question says spring tides refer to option A, greatest difference in the sea level at high and low tides, lowest difference in the sea level at high and low tides, no difference in the sea level at the high and the low tides, counteraction of the gravitational pull of sun to that of moon. Okay, so here we know what is tides. If you want to write down, it is a rhythmic movement of sea water, rise and fall of the sea water. That is a tide. The meaning of tide is rise. Okay, rise and fall. Okay, rise and fall of the sea water, that is a tide. When we say spring tide, okay, when we use spring tide, what happens? Sun, moon and earth comes in the same line. Okay, so sun, moon and earth comes in a straight line. That is the spring tide. Here the high tide will be extraordinarily very high and low tide will be extraordinarily low. Okay, so that means the answer is the greatest difference. Answer is A. Okay, greatest difference in the sea level at the high and the low tide. That is the answer. Apart from spring tide, note down your notebook. There is something called neap tide. Okay, that is what they have given here. Okay, neap tide. The sun, earth and moon will come in perpendicular to each other. So the pulling effect of the sun will be cancelled by the moon and moon will be cancelled by the sun, thereby it will be very lower tide. Okay, so neap tide is the lowest tide, spring tide will be highest tide. That is the answer is A. Next question, which one of the following is not true in reference to air mass? Okay, they're asking which is not true. So this is one thing they UPSC is always using, not true, incorrect. Okay, so here air mass forms either in tropical or in polar region. Air mass develops on continental as well as over ocean. Air mass develops in cyclonic condition. Air mass changes the weather condition. Okay, to understand this question, first you understand what is air mass. Okay, air mass is a homogeneous column of air having homogeneous properties like temperature, density, movement of direction or direction of movement. So they'll be very similar. Okay, a huge column of air which has got same temperature, same humidity and same direction. So that is a huge column of air. That is what is known as air mass. So to have this homogeneous air mass, you need a homogeneous region also. Trying to understand. See, a homogeneous air mass will be formed when the area is a plane area. Okay, that has got homogeneous property. Okay, so you mean if you understand that, then you can attack this question. First option is air mass forms either in tropical as well as polar region. Yes, it is possible that both the places it can be formed. Air mass develops on continents as well as ocean. That is also possible. We have oceanic air mass, continental air mass. Air mass develops in cyclonic condition. Now, cyclonic condition, you should know what happens. There will be a low pressure, then there will be a surrounding of like this. Okay, like this. There will be a different isobars will be there. Isobar means the line connecting the same this one pressure. Okay, so when the pressure is changing, so the area is not in a homogeneous condition, and cyclone will not be a static also. So air mass develops in cyclonic condition is wrong. Okay, so they're asking which is not correct. Okay, the answer is C. That is the air mass develops in the cyclonic condition is wrong. Okay, air mass changes the weather condition. That is true. Okay, so in your notebook you should write all these points. What is the air mass? Air mass is the homogeneous air having the homogeneous property such as humidity, temperature and flow of direction. Okay, they are found in tropical as well as in polar region. They are found in continent as well as in ocean. then they also affect the weather of the condition. Okay, so this is one question asked in the exam. National Water Academy, Center of Excellence, is in training and capacity building in water resource located in. It is located in Pune. Okay, it is located in Pune. So that is the answer. Yeah. Next question, very important question. This question is getting repeated again and again. Compos and llanos. Okay, compos and llanos, tropical savanna grassland are generally found in. Okay, compos and llanos, they are the example of tropical savanna. Write down tropical savanna is a tropical grassland. Okay, there are two types of grassland. A grassland can be of temperate grassland, or it can be of, so one is temperate. Okay, TE. Okay, the other one is tropical. Okay, so temperate grassland or tropical grassland. So here they are talking about tropical only. So tropical grassland is of two types. One is compos, the other one is llanos. Compos and llanos are found in South America. Compos is found in Brazil. Write down, compos is found in Brazil. Llanos, Llanos, llanos is found in Venezuela. Okay, Venezuela. Okay, that is what. So if they are talking about temperate grassland, that is found in Australia. Write down, I'm in Australia, I'm giving example of temperate grassland. Okay, but what is given here is a tropical grassland. So tropical grassland, compos and llanos, both are found in South America, that is Brazil and Venezuela. As far as temperate grassland is concerned, Australia has got downs. Write down, downs. Okay, DO, not up and down like that. Okay, then Central Africa, okay, East Africa, that's something. Okay. So here compos and llanos are found as a tropical grassland in Brazil and Venezuela. Next question, viticulture. Okay, viticulture is a common feature of which of the following Australian cities? So you understand what is viticulture? Viticulture is a vineyard making. Wine making. They have grapes and all, oranges, and that is vineyard making. No, that is known as viticulture. So that is found in a special climate called Mediterranean climate. That also write down, Mediterranean. Okay, Mediterranean climate. In Mediterranean climate only this viticulture is possible. So Australia has got Mediterranean climate. In fact, write down this point, Mediterranean climate is found in the western part of the continent. It is found in the western part of the continent. It is found in the western part of the continent. Okay, so here the answer is Adelaide. Okay, Adelaide is the answer. Okay, Adelaide. Okay, for example, if you look at this as an Australian map, okay, then this side, okay, here you have a Adelaide. Okay, so Adelaide is famous for, so there are two places where the Mediterranean climate is found. One is found here as well, one is found in the Adelaide also. Okay, so Adelaide, you have to understand Mediterranean climate. So next exam they'll ask you, Adelaide has got which type of climate? It is known as Mediterranean climate. Okay, Mediterranean climate. One more point, write down, Mediterranean climate, a unique property is the rainfall happens in the winter. Okay, so it is a winter rainfall. Mediterranean has got winter rainfall. Yeah, next question is Shamal, SHAML, Shamal, warm and dry wind is a local wind. So Shamal is a local wind. Okay, they're asking where it is found. Okay, it is found in Iraq. Okay, but Iraq is not given. It is known as, now it is known as Mesopotamia. Okay, so Mesopotamia it is found. Okay, Mesopotamia it is found. Okay, Shamal is the local wind. Likewise, the Sirocco is a local wind that moves from Sahara towards Mediterranean. Write down Sirocco, another local wind I am giving. So always my intention is to give additional information to you. So one is Shamal, it is in Iraq. Okay, that is the Mesopotamia. Now what is Sirocco? Sirrocco. Sirocco is the local wind. It flows from Sahara towards Mediterranean. It provides blood rain. Okay, next is inversion of temperature, inversion of rainfall. Inversion of temperature we know. Now here inversion of rainfall. That is rainfall increases with increase in height. Rainfall increases with increase in height. Okay, so why rainfall should increase in height? Okay, because of orographic rainfall. That means answer is A. Okay, answer is A. In orographic rainfall, there will be a inversion of rainfall. Rainfall increases to certain height. After that, it will decrease. Okay, so that is the answer. So we know three types of rainfall is there. One is orographic rainfall. The other one is convectional rainfall. Orographic rainfall, convection rainfall, and cyclonic rainfall. So in the orographic rainfall, you got inversion of rainfall, inversion of rainfall. That is the answer, because rainfall will that is where leeward side. What is orographic? So if there is a mountain, what happens here? The rainfall will happen. Okay, because of the clouds. Here there will not be any rainfall. So this area is known by leeward side. This is known as rainward side. Okay, that is how this is done. Okay, so inversion of rainfall happens in the orographic rainfall. Okay, so that's for the time being. We'll come with another set of questions. So thank you very much. You can follow us in the WhatsApp number 99959916183. Also call us 99959916183. And website is victorgrowth.com. Telegram channel, there's a Net Studies Telegram channel is there. You can follow there. Okay, any questions you got, you can call, and our coachings are available online.